Dear class 4, after doing part E, we will do question number 5, that is write vertically and subtract. It is same as addition. Here you can see I have written the sum, that is 985.64 minus 139.55. And you can also see as there are two digits after the decimal point, I have written 10th, 100th. Three digit before the decimal point, that is ones, tens, hundred. Now what we have to do, we have to put the values, and I have told you, you have to write from the right hand side. So first value here is 4 in the 100th column, then is 6, decimal point under decimal point, on the ones there is 5, on the 100 there on the tens there is 8, and on 100 that is 9. Boys, remember you have to write each digit in the box, okay, in different and separate box. And always remember, doing part A over here, you will not do part B over here, okay. Do sums like this vertically, and then we will write subtraction sign and 5 under 4, then 5 under 6, then decimal point under decimal point, 9 under 5, 3 under 8, and 1 under 9. So boys, here you can see we cannot subtract 5 from 4. So what I have to do, I have to borrow from 6. So I am doing it with different color. Now 6 is 5 and it had borrowed 1 to 4. So it is 14. 14 minus 5, you can subtract it, but I hope so your math is now very quick. So you can say that 14 minus 5 is 9. Now 5 minus 5 is 0. Okay. And then we have to write the decimal point under decimal point. And again we cannot subtract 9 from 5. So what we have to do, we have to ask from the neighboring digit. It will become 7 and give 1 to 5. It is now 15. 15 minus 9. Yes boys, please you can subtract it. I know that 15 minus 9, and you can also do it as you have 15 boxes on your fingers. So 9, and then you have these 6 boxes. Okay. 6. 7 minus 3 is 4, and 9 minus 1 is 8. So moving toward our next sum, that is part B, boys. Let's write the part B. It is 702.72 minus 484.38. I have not written the values over here because I want you to write the values by using your understanding above, okay. As we are doing revision, so you are means you can do this sum. I know you can do it. So please do it very neatly on your notebook. After doing part B, we will proceed toward part C, that is 521.81 minus 199.11. You can see I have written the place values over here, and then I have written the values from right hand side. Decimal point is under the decimal point, boys. So let us subtract. 1 minus 1 is 0. 8 minus 1 is 7. The decimal point will come under the decimal point. As we cannot subtract 9 from 1, so we will borrow. It will be 11 and it is now 1. 11 minus 9 is 2. Again, we cannot subtract 9 from 1. So we will borrow from 5, and 5 will be 4, and it is now 11. So 11 minus 9 is 2, and 4 minus 1 is 3. So it is 322.70. Boys, our next question is 619.90 minus 487.45. You have to make the place value chart and then write the value under it vertically. Then you have to subtract. After doing part D, we will move toward part E. And I am leaving part E on you because I know you can do it, boys. Your classwork for today is you have to do the activity of changing the unlike decimals into like decimal, definition of like and unlike decimal, question number 4 part A to E, and question number 5 part A to E of page number 100 and 101 on copy. Boys, your homework is do question number 4 part FG, question number 5 part FGH of page number 100 and 101 on copy. Boys, you should not write these work of yourselves on your notebook because this is just to tell you that what you have to do in CW and what you have to do in HW. If you have any problem, you can ask me in the comments below. Take care.